working with an IT, a lot of what Amar's talked about, we sort of would maybe play lip service to, with good intentions to do the things that he's recommended. I feel empowered now to take away and actually buckle down and recommend we do some of these things and follow them through, and it's a proper kick up the backside to go and make sure we do some of those things. Amar, thank you very much for your it was very helpful. A great trainer, very clear. Thank you very much.